All right, I want to talk about section 2.7, decimal subtraction today. Now, we all remember this and we've learned this before, but we're just going to kind of go through the steps nice and quick, kind of as a refresher, so that you remember how to do it by hand and all the steps for our algorithm. So we have four main steps when we're subtracting decimals. And this is going to look like something if I want to subtract 4.5, or no, I'm going to take 18.98 and I'm going to subtract 4.5. And this is how I would do this. So number one, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to arrange the numbers vertically with lined up decimals. So that looks like, for this example, if I were to take this one and rewrite it, now it becomes 18.98 minus 4.5. And you'll notice that my decimals now are lined up. And I can see each number is in its special little spot, determined by its place value. Number two, add zeros for any missing spaces. To the right of the decimal point. Okay, this one looks like this. If I'm going to rewrite my equation that I have 18 minus 9/8, 4 minus 4.5. Again, bringing it down. This time, though, I'm going to add in my 0 here so that I know how to work with my numbers, because I can always add zeros to the right of a number. It doesn't actually change what I'm doing, right? 1.5 is equal to 1.50 because this is 1 and 5/10. This is 1 and 50 hundredths, and 50 hundredths is the same as 5/10. Okay, we're good to go. Go to number 3. Subtract right to left. Borrowing as needed. Okay, let's bring it back down. We have, put our minus here, 18.98 minus 4.50. Brought it down from earlier. Okay, 8 minus 0 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. 1 minus 0 is 1. I'm going to bring my decimal point back down as well. Oh, that was step 4. I might have skipped it a little bit. Sorry. Out of habit. And then 4 is insert the decimal point so it lines up with the original. And I'll bring it back down just to show that final step, even though I kind of already did it. Whoops. We have 18.98 minus 4.50 is 14.48. And then I'll bring down this decimal point to represent the spot that it's in, and I'll bring it right here for our answer. Nice. Now, if you feel like you know how to do this, then go ahead and go on. I'll do a couple examples. Find one that I like. All right. 4.56 minus 2.37. 4.56 minus 2.37. Let's see, 6 minus 7. Need to borrow here. Turn that into a 4. Bring this over. Oops, I was off. 16 minus 7 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 4 minus 2 is 2. Bring down my decimal point, and I have 2.19. Now for this one, remember, show all work. Let's look at one more. $12.378 minus 5.67. 12.378 minus 5.67. I can add a 0 in here so I know what I'm doing. 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 7 is 0. 3 minus 6 can't do. Let's borrow. Turn this into a 1. Put a 10 here. 13 minus 6 is 7. Bring my decimal. 1 minus 5 can't do. Let's borrow. 11 minus 5 is 6. 6.708. Hopefully that makes sense. Go ahead and good luck.